Malibu, California, where the Pacific Ocean meets celebrity privacy, endless sunsets, and some of the most expensive real estate in the world. But here's the question everyone wants answered. What does $5 million actually buy you in Malibu today? Because in most cities, $5 million means a mansion. In Malibu, it means something very different. Let's take a look. First, you have to understand the market. Malibu isn't just expensive, it's ultra-premium coastal real estate. The median home price sits around $5.6 million, with properties averaging roughly $1,600 per square foot, placing it among the priciest housing markets in California. That means $5 million isn't an entry into luxury here, it's closer to the starting line. So what do buyers actually get? Typically, a $5 million Malibu home falls into three categories: hillside modern homes, beach-adjacent properties, or smaller oceanfront residences. Let's start with the hillside experience. Many homes at this price point sit above the Pacific Coast Highway, tucked into the Santa Monica Mountains. From the outside, they may look understated, but step inside and everything changes. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls dominate the design, pulling the ocean directly into the living space. Open concept layouts are standard, often pairing a chef's kitchen with expansive living areas built for entertaining. Expect around 2,500 to 3,500 square feet, usually with 3 to 4 bedrooms, infinity terraces, and panoramic coastline views stretching miles down the shore. And those views, they're a huge part of what you're paying for. In Malibu, scenery is currency. Now, if proximity to the beach matters more than square footage, $5 million can place you within walking distance of the sand, sometimes even with partial ocean frontage. But there's a trade-off. Beach homes at this price are often smaller or older properties renovated over time. Even celebrity listings show this pattern. Oceanfront homes under 2,000 square feet can still command prices well above $8 million simply because of direct Pacific views. Location beats size every single time. Inside these homes, design leans heavily into coastal minimalism. Natural wood, neutral tones, skylights, and sliding glass walls that erase the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Deck space becomes an extension of the living room, designed for sunset dinners and ocean air year-round. Outdoor living is essential here. You'll often find plunge pools, fire pits, outdoor showers, and wraparound terraces instead of massive backyards. Land is scarce, and every square foot is carefully optimized towards views rather than lawn space. Another thing buyers quickly learn, Malibu real estate is about lifestyle as much as architecture. You're buying morning surf sessions, quiet canyon drives, and a level of privacy that attracts actors, entrepreneurs, and creatives alike. Strict zoning laws and limited inventory keep supply tight, which helps maintain long-term property value despite market shifts. But Malibu living isn't without challenges. Wildfire risk and rising insurance costs are part of ownership, and securing coverage has become increasingly complex for homeowners in coastal fire zones. Still, demand remains strong because very few places in the world combine oceanfront beauty, exclusivity, and proximity to Los Angeles the way Malibu does. So what does $5 million really buy you here? Not the biggest house, not the flashiest mansion. Instead, it buys something rarer, a front-row seat to the Pacific Ocean, architectural homes designed around nature, and a lifestyle where the sunset is part of your daily routine. In Malibu, $5 million doesn't just purchase property, it purchases perspective. And for many buyers, that view alone is priceless.